Morning, everyone. All right, welcome to our YouTube live from Spike Sports. It is at Dairy and Torbram, nearby that. We are so happy that after a long time, our honorary advisor and head coach of men's USA national team, Mr. Bubudu Dasanaike, is here with us today. Please give a big round of applause. Along with that, in the video you will see me wearing this t-shirt. Unfortunately, this team lost in the final in NCC Cup. With this, but again, I'm saying this so that they'll play again to win the final. So, having that said, jokes apart, the greatest lover of cricket, our renowned lawyer in our Nepali community, Mr. Atul Subedi is also here. Please give him a big round of applause. And guys, when I say Atul Subedi himself, he used to be in Air Force before, when he used to work. That time he played from, I know his detailed story, that's why I'm saying you. Why he supports us. There is a reason behind. There is a reason why everybody is connected to us. So he used to play from Air Force. That time there was a very crucial match where he took 5-wicket haul. And they won the championship. So this is how you saw right after he came, he took the ball and started to ball, right? Because he had that thing in the kid. I'm sure that when I will be 60, 65, I'll definitely be looked to be connected with the cricket team, no matter wherever I'll be in the world, because I have that passion in me. So great example. So thank you, Atul Dai, for supporting us. Along with that, this year this is a new thing for us. We never hired a professional coach to train us. We do have a coach that have Pakistan Cricket Board level 2 coach, at the same time English Cricket Board as well, certified coach. Atif Iftikhar is here with us, so please give a big round of applause for him as well. Apart from that, crucial change has happened. You used to see before Rusi Patel used to be our main point of contact, supporting everywhere. Now the ownership has changed for a Spike. We do have Ankit Bhai here. Please give a big round of applause for him as well. Guys, I'm doing this so that he will give us good rates and discount. So there is a reason behind. Having this said, we have our Vice President, Susan Bora Bhai. Board of Director Tapendra Bista, हाम्रो Secretary Board of Director Alok Dev, Vikas Dakal Bhai Board of Director Asif, र हाम्रो General Secretary जसले चाहिँ खासमा सबै अपरेशन्स हेरिरहेको छ भाइले, उ General Secretary भएपछि मलाई धेरै सजिलो भएको छ हैन, सुरज श्रेष्ठ भाइ। र अब यति भन्दै जसले सबै पैसा हाम्रो हेरचाह गर्छ ग्रान्ट अप्लाई गरिदिने, we have a very good news. I won't tell the number right now because the goal is to reach certain amount of financial grant and sponsorship, then we'll reveal that, but we have achieved more than what we expected so far. Atesko behind the reason, the guy working behind, Kusal Bhatt, give a big round of applause for him. Having this said, I won't take much time, but again, this is the thing where when we started this club, guys, when we started this club, we had to struggle a lot. We struggle a lot. And people, those who open a club, they know the struggle. During that time, there were very few people who supported us. One of that was Atul Dai. That's why we call him guardian of our club. If not just because he sponsors us, even he will not in future, he will still be. Kinavane, when we did not have money, we used to do Devsi Bailo to collect money, and he was the one who invited us with open heart and gave us more than we expected. So thank you, Atul Dai. Same time, in Canada in 2017, it was very tough. Not everyone played cricket. During that time, when we were new, Pudu sir helped us being our advisor since 2017. And I'm very glad that 2 days back when I called him and then he was so excited. He congratulated our new board. At the same time, he clearly mentioned I will be there with you whenever I can. So feel free to put me in your advisor board. So he will be there to support us even more in future. For the last 2 years, we didn't see that level of engagement of advisors. But trust me, I know how to utilize or how to capitalize those resources that we have. We'll make sure that we'll take his guidance to take this club further. So thank you, sir, for coming again. At the same time, lastly, new addition we have is our Atif Bhai. I'm calling him Bhai because I feel he's like my brother now. We started as a coach. We'll definitely take all their help in NCC Cup to take this club. NCC Cup, it will be renamed shortly. You guys will hear exciting news because I have been working in the background a lot. Not so. Having that said, three of us, I would like to thank you. I would like to thank you, bhai, as well. They are our sporting partner always. अब बैठो मैं नहीं चाह रहा. Sorry guys, I am a bit funny, so take it light. So having this said, I'd like to give this mic. I won't take much time. Just to hear few words from you guys, and from our board side, I would. Well, there are so many active players in the board. This is the first time as well. I will ask Vikas Dhakalbhai to speak little bit later on. So having this said, I'd like to hand over this mic to our own Prabhudas Naike sir and